We're gonna miss you, okay?
And then there's your kitty ears.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss before you go.
I need the address.
Mama, show me. Pretty.
I need the...
I know, I'm getting it. Ow. She sent it over
What you doing, girl? What up, fam? It's me and my son. We about to take him to the park. We just got done eating breakfast. Drop Janelle off. We'll see you when we get there, though. Come on, PJ boy. You gonna come get me? Yeah, it's the playground, huh? I know you see it. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, come on. I don't know why, but he's a little skeptical about going downhill and over things right now. But he's good. Oop, 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 oop. He didn't see that. You gotta be careful, James. You going first to the slide? Okay. Okay, I see you. I see you. We at the park, and the first thing baby James do, whoop, whoop, whoop. You played the sand for a couple seconds, Lex. Grabbed up one handful of sand, whoop, whoop, whoop. Came straight to the slide. Woo! 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 Oh boy, love them swings. You can do it. Okay. Oh, you wanna go on this? No, no. James, put it down. Oh my goodness. No. There we go. Sometimes I gotta raise my voice a little bit to let him know who's in charge. But that's rarely, y'all. Rarely. No, no. Dang. Always getting to something. Come on. We got a couple more steps. Yeah. Boy, you better be careful. You're gonna hurt yourself. Yeah, watch this. He slides right into the sand. Watch. Goodbye. Son, we're supposed to go inside, have fun, play some games, chill, and then take a nap. But you fall asleep on me on the way home, bro. That's no fuego. Wait, does fuego mean? Does fuego mean fire? How do you say fun? Spanish. Well, whatever. That's no fun for me. I better be inside bored, son. All because you want to knock out.
The next day.
Good morning, Frazier. I'm with my little son. He's knocked. He's always, not always, but a lot of times he's asleep. When I come and talk to y'all, he's knocked out. I don't know why. But we at the mall. I don't know if y'all could tell or not. But we at the mall. I'm about to let him play on the playground, maybe go shopping. And then today's Janelle performance, y'all. Hopefully she does well. Hopefully she does well. I believe in her. She's gonna be my little actress. Now the baby's all up. And we better be at Janelle's place at 12:45. So he has a little time to play and eat. Huh, son? James, you got a little bit of time to eat? Which one should I get? Get this one. This seems like something that Janelle would like. Live, laugh, love. We just dropped her off, me and my son. Alexa's up there with Janelle getting ready. So we about to get her some flowers. So these are all the flowers that they have. I don't really like none of them. But these red ones, I guess. Guess I'll get these for her. Yeah, let me know if I did a good job or not, please. Or those ones, but those don't look like that many. These look like a lot. So we're gonna go with these. Let me look at these actually. Nah. The red it is. Red is good, huh? You got your red shirt on to match, huh, son? I don't know what he's talking about. But these are the roses up close. This is the baby. He decided to match the roses. And I'm tired of holding him the roses, the bag, with the camera, and his cup. I'm about to pass out, y'all. Wish me luck. Hopefully I get this.
We should go down to the play. Yeah! Miss Casey is Miss Casey. She's the star of the show.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello. Hey, get me in. Okay. Hello, Frazier. Hey. Hello, Grayson. How do you like to be in the vlog?
Before her performance, I bought her, y'all saw Live, Laugh, Love. I didn't know if I would put it in a counter. Good job, Janelle. Daddy's proud of you. I hope you had fun and enjoyed your day. All right there, Fraziers, we love you. Hit that like. Don't forget that subscribe. And hit that gray bell to always get notification. Shout out Notification Squad. And we out. Peace.
My name is Janelle. Subscribe and hit the gray bell. Hello, Frazier. See you later.